So on behalf of Downer, the work you do in the community here for the kids in need across the Waikato is absolutely fantastic. So we've made a small donation to try and help with all the work you do. So
thank you so much.
The donation from Downer is amazing, and we appreciate it so much. If we didn't have these bags from the donation, we would have to come up with the money ourselves, and that's money that could go towards other things. This is something that we put together for the kids every year, and this is the first time that we've actually been donated enough money to be able to buy them and not worry about where they're going to come from.
For us to give back to the community and to be part of the community. We all live and work in the community, and to see these people doing so much volunteering work, we would like to be involved and also contribute to make a difference, and Downer would like to show that we care.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for choosing us, for thinking about us, and I'm just so glad that you're able to come out and see what we do. Just doesn't just touch us, it touches the children that they're going to go to. So thank you.